Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that's been on a lot of people's minds lately, AI. You know, the kind that can write, draw, compose music, even generate videos. And lately, there's been a lot of talk about AI killing creativity. But is that really true? Or is there more to the story? Here's the thing. AI is powerful. It can generate ideas in seconds that might take a human hours, days, or even months. And yes, that can feel intimidating. But let's pause and think. What is creativity, really? Creativity isn't just about making something new. It's about perspective, emotion, experience, and that spark that comes from being human. AI can remix, replicate, or optimize, but it can't feel. It can't struggle and fail and find beauty in that struggle. That's something only humans can do. Now, some people worry that AI will replace artists, writers, and musicians. But here's truth that isn't talked about enough. AI doesn't take creativity from people. It only exposes it. Think about it this way. The people who might lose their creativity are the ones who stop nurturing it themselves. Maybe they stop challenging themselves, stop experimenting, or rely entirely on AI to do the thinking for them. That's not AI killing creativity. That's personal choice. On the other hand, people who have that spark inside, those who are curious, imaginative, resilient, AI can take that away. Never. Creativity is like a seed. It grows with care, and AI can actually help it flourish. Here's an example. I know a musician experimenting with AI music tools. Instead of letting AI replace him, he uses it to explore sounds he never imagined. He combines AI-generated melodies with his own intuition, emotion, and experience. The result's completely unique, something that couldn't exist without it. The same goes for writers, designers, and entrepreneurs. AI can generate drafts, mock-ups, or ideas. But it can't decide which idea truly resonates, or which story moves people. That takes human judgment, empathy, creativity. AI isn't the end of originality. If anything, it challenges us to dig deeper. When a tool can produce so much so quickly, we must ask ourselves, what can only I create? What makes my perspective unique? That's where real creativity lies. I want to be very clear. Fear is the real threat, not AI. Fear, complacency, or relying entirely on technology without developing your own skills. AI is just a mirror. It reflects how we use it. For young people growing up now, AI can be empowering. It gives access to tools, resources, inspiration, things previous generations didn't have. It can level the playing field. But it's up to each person to use it as a springboard, not a crutch. Here's the takeaway. AI doesn't kill creativity. Humans who don't nurture their creativity might stagnate, but those with imagination, curiosity, and drive, they will continue to create. AI can help them reach new heights. It amplifies, it enhances, it accelerates, but it places what makes us uniquely human. Next time someone says AI is killing creativity, remember this. Creativity isn't about tools. It's about you, your ideas, your imagination, your willingness to explore the unknown. No AI can ever take that away. This is an exciting time. Humans and AI can collaborate, push boundaries, unlock creative possibilities we never dreamed of before. Don't fear it. Use it. Experiment with it. Challenge yourself. If this video made you think, hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What's one way you plan to use AI to boost your creativity? I'd love to hear your ideas.